Assalamualaikum, Bismillah. This is patty melt. Wow, let's do it. For our sauce, I have here ketchup, mayonnaise, and mustard. We put some pickled relish, grated parmesan, and a little Worcester. We will mix until well combined. Now after mixing, we set it aside. To our hot pan, we caramelize some onions. Our caramelized onion, guys. Here I have slices of brioche and we will butter it both sides. Our brioche, guys, after browning. Now we put our patties and turn it over. We put some cheese. Covered. Now we go to our assembly. First our sauce, then our patties, then our caramelized onion. Enjoy!